Hi everyone, this is Meet and today will be a quick list of the top 5 recent and completed Korean drama crime thrillers. The first one is Memorist, starring Yoon Sung-ho and Lee Se-young. Okay, it has 16 episodes and it has a psychopathic serial killer. It has a superpower superhero. So Memorist is a really fun watch. It is interesting. It has a lot of twists and turns, way too many twists and turns. By the ending, you'll be confused, but you'll actually enjoy all the complications. So it's a good watch. The second drama is Tell Me What You Saw. It has 16 episodes. It is completed. It is a crime thriller, obviously. It stars Jang Hyuk and Soo Young. Jang Hyuk portrays one of the best characters of his entire career. Not the very best, but yes, one of the good ones. And with long hair. Okay. So this also has a psychopathic serial killer and a superpower hero or heroine. So the heroine played by Soo Young actually has a highly eidetic memory or a highly photographic memory, which helps her remember crime scenes. So tell me what you saw. You got it. Okay, and as is the trope in crime thrillers in Korean dramas, Jang Hyuk plays a detective who has lost his wife because of a murderer and he's obsessed with chasing after this murderer. So that makes the story all the more interesting. The third drama is He is Psychometric. It stars Park Jin Young and Shin Eun. Now this drama is 16 episodes. It has a past crime. It has a miserable and majboor. Just find out the meaning of the word majboor in Hindi or Urdu and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. This drama has a past crime and a hero with superpowers. Okay, once he touches a person alive or dead, he can read their memories or he can read their last moments. He can just find out a lot about them after touching surfaces, not just a human being, actually touching surfaces, even walls and pipes, etc. So yeah, it's a good crime thriller drama with a healthy dose of romance and an equally unhealthy dose of heartbreak. In this drama has one of the characters waiting to clear her father's name and restore his honor. Okay. The fourth drama is Psychopathic Diary. Now, this is one of the rarest types of Korean dramas you'll get. It's a crime thriller comedy. One of the rarest types of Korean dramas that you get are crime thriller comedies, horror comedies, romantic horror. All these are genres that you'll find maybe only in such Asian dramas. Okay. And these are brilliant to watch because their stories are so good and at the same time they'll have you laughing. Okay, so Psychopathic Diary has a really dumb guy, a really innocent, naive hero who ends up in the wrong place at the wrong time with amnesia, in such a way that he ends up believing that he's a serial killer. After he gets up, he has this psychopathic diary, he has this diary that has all these psychopathic, confessions written in it, and he starts believing that he's the serial killer. And the series of events that follows is hilarious. At the same time, it's just so funny. I mean, just remembering it, I start laughing. So I really hope you watch Psychopathic Diary. And obviously, the lead is played by Yoon Si-yoon. Yes, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is played by Yoon Si-yoon, and it stars the lovely Jung In-sung. Despite being a crime thriller, it's a sweet drama because of the main character. The change in his personality is what is going to attract you to the drama. Another incentive to watch this drama is you get to see this doormat sort of guy, this pushover, go from being the doormat to being the, he's the boss, goes to that level. And only because he starts believing that he's evil. Okay, the final drama on this list was released a little earlier than the other dramas in this list. This was released in 2016. The drama that I'm talking about is Signal. It is one of the best Korean dramas. It is one of the best crime thrillers in Korean drama history, and you've got to watch it. It has elements of time fantasy, not time travel per se, but definitely time fantasy because two people in two different timelines are able to interact with each other because of a pair of walkie-talkies. So this was a short list about the top 5 crime thrillers available in Korean dramas right now, and I hope you enjoyed this list, and I'll see you next time. Bye.